Here's the revised script. Ready to ditch the limitations of shared hosting and step into true, guaranteed power? This is the upgrade you need. If you're managing high-traffic business sites, large-scale projects, or multiple client websites, you've got to follow this closely to get the absolute maximum Black Friday discount on cloud hosting. You need to click the Hostinger coupon link in the video description. That single click is the key to unlocking not just the massive Black Friday sale, but an extra 20% referral discount that stacks perfectly on top of the main promotion. No code typing is needed. It applies completely automatically. Once you click that link, you land on the Hostinger page. Look up at the top menu and hit that Services tab. From the drop-down, select Cloud Hosting. This zips you directly to the Cloud Hosting section, where you'll immediately see the huge Black Friday sale blazing bright. Now, you'll see our one powerful option, the Cloud Starter Plan. This plan is the ultimate solution, giving you serious, dedicated power, 2 dedicated CPU cores, a generous 3 GB of RAM, and 100 GB of lightning-fast NVMe storage. These specs guarantee peak performance, even under heavy load, and you get a dedicated IP and a free domain for the first year. It's currently discounted to around 549 rupees per month. Go ahead and click the Choose Plan button for that one. You'll be on the order summary page. Quick heads up, cloud plan renewals don't get the same massive discount, so the most important move here is to choose the longest available billing period, which is typically 48 months, to lock in this super low price for 4 full years. This is how you maximize your total savings and get the most insane value. Now, check out your order summary. You'll see the massive Black Friday discount already applied, plus a line for the referral discount, 20%. That's the sweet extra 20% you got just by clicking my special link. When you look at the total saving over 4 years, you'll see you've instantly saved a truly massive amount, plus, you secure that free domain for the first year. Click Continue to move to the final checkout page. Enter your details, set a strong password, and complete the payment. That's it. You've successfully claimed the maximum discount on the powerful cloud hosting plan during the Black Friday sale, grabbing your extra 20% off and securing your free domain for the first year. Go enjoy the speed and guaranteed resources of your new cloud hosting. Bye.